One of the things that you may have noticed in this presentation, if you're paying really close attention, is that right down here in this particular bullet point, we have, in fact, 3 different ways that we're abbreviating millions here. It would be really nice if Macabacus could pick up on this and highlight it for us. And in fact, this is possible, but we need to look over here into the settings. Let's dive in. Just before we jump into the settings, which are right here in this gear icon, one of the things that we want to keep in mind is Macabacus has the ability to categorize any of these issues in the 3 categories, with red, which is critical, and we have yellow, which is a major, and then blue, which is minor. So we can change the categorization of any of these types of issues to move them from one category over to the other. Let's jump in. So let's go ahead and click right here on this gear icon, and we can see the settings come up. One thing that Macabacus has done is it's really nicely organized these into sections for us. Right at the top, we have a formatting section. And as we can see here, these little radio buttons are coming up with those colors with the dark orange, yellow, and blue. So the orange is indicating that this is categorized. The color palette conformity is a minor issue, but we can click on this and we could put it as a major issue, or click on it again and then it won't be flagged, or we could click on it one more time to make it a minor issue. Let's just click back to make it left here as a major issue. As we can see here, there are an incredible amount of things that Macabacus can check for, and we'll want to spend some time combing through all these settings very carefully to make sure that we're taking full advantage of all the brand compliance that's offered by Macabacus. Now, as you recall, we were interested in investigating this issue over here where we have 3 different abbreviations for millions. We're going to look down further in the settings to find this. As we can see, we're in the formatting section here. Let's scroll down. There's another section for the template, then the layout, content, but finally near the bottom, punctuation, grammar, and spelling. This is going to be where we're going to find the millions and billions abbreviations. What we can see down here in this section is a line item for units abbreviation, and we can see right away the issue. We're not allowing Macabacus to check for it, as we can see by this empty radio button here. If we click on this, we're now checking for it and we've categorized it as a minor issue. We also have control over how the abbreviation should be set. For example, here for millions, we could set this to a capital M. We're just going to put it back here to 2 lowercase m's and leave this setting for now. It might be nice to go back and run a quick check again. So let's close this X to close the settings. Back into the proofing tool, now we can click this refresh button, click on presentation, and let's see what comes up. As we can see on the list, we now have millions abbreviation coming up as a minor issue. Let's double click on it. And what we've done here is we can see that Macabacus has highlighted these 2 issues with the capital M's. So let's click on the gear icon, which is going to fix those. We close this. This is turned green. When we click away from it, we've taken care of one other issue. As we mentioned, we want to also discuss right up here how we can use the reformat view to fix some issues in our presentation. Let's jump in the next video and check out how that tool works. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.